This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying your device supports lock screen widgets and granting the necessary permissions. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Lock Screen or Widgets. Tap Add or Edit to start placing a widget. You want to pick one that actually benefits quick glance use. Make sure apps providing widgets are installed and updated, because outdated apps often won't appear. If a widget requires location or notification access, enable that now so it functions correctly once added. Now choose the widget size and layout that fits your lock screen space. Compact is quick glance, large shows more details. Tap a widget to open configuration options, set accounts, refresh intervals, or shortcuts so it shows the right info. Drag and drop to reposition. Use the preview to confirm nothing is cut off by the clock or notifications. Once positioned, exit edit mode and test by locking the screen. If data doesn't update, return and adjust refresh or permissions. Finish by locking the device and verifying widget content. Tap any interactive elements to confirm behavior. If a widget fails to appear or refresh, restart the device first. That clears temporary glitches. Make sure background data, battery optimization, and notification permissions aren't blocking updates. Exempt the app if needed. If problems persist, update or reinstall the app providing the widget, then re-add it. One quick troubleshooting tip. A reboot plus re-granting permissions resolves most lock screen widget issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.